Hey guys, what's going on? Dan here from danbradleyofficial.com and welcome inside my Rapid Traffic Suite review. Now throughout this review I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly what a Rapid Traffic Suite is all about. In fact, we're here right now inside the membership area and I'm going to be giving you guys a little walkthrough of what this system is all about, what you're going to be able to use for it. And remember, this is a two-part system. So you've got one part which is the software, and the second part, which is the training, is going to give you guys all the information that you need to really get some great results with Pinterest traffic. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified about up and coming product launches. Now, I want to dive straight into Rapid Traffic Suite and talk about all that. Of course, we're going to be looking in a few moments at the funnel. We're going to take a look at the upgrades and the different options that you're going to get available when you purchase Rapid Traffic Suite. And of course, stay tuned towards the end of this video where I'm going to share with you my custom bonuses that are going to be made available exclusively when you pick this up through the link down below this YouTube video. Now, before we go into all those things, first and foremost, let's dive into this package. So first thing, as I mentioned, is software and training. So let's cover the training off first of all. You'll see here in this training setup, you've got both tutorials to show you how to use the software, but more importantly is on this little button here, you've got the marketing training button here. So this is all great. This is going to show you basically how to use the software. But if we just click on this marketing one, this is actually going to show you what you need to learn about Pinterest traffic. Now, Pinterest traffic is one of my favorite traffic sources. Why? Because it is loaded with buyer traffic. A lot of people on Pinterest end up buying, which means they're ready to spend money on whatever it is that you want to promote. Okay, now this is going to show you guys obviously an overview of the system. Watch this first, and I recommend going through these videos one by one in order. Okay, now there is quite a lot of stuff there, but I do recommend that you go through that because it's going to show you the complete picture really of how to use Pinterest traffic within a particular niche to drive traffic and get results. So you've got a number of different videos there going through everything from niche research, obviously how to set sites up, how to create content, how to monetize, how to create pins, how to get the Pinterest account up and running, how to work out the pin exchanges, Pinterest SEO, lots and lots of great stuff, group boards, tailwind tribes, okay, a lot of great training in there. And that alone to me is worth the cost of entry into Rapid Traffic Suite, just for the training and the hours and hours of videos that you've got there that are going to show you exactly how to make Pinterest traffic work for you. But of course, in Rapid Traffic Suite, you are also getting a software. Now, what this software is allowing you to do basically is you can follow and pin other people's things, and basically you're going to share them across this follow exchange. So the first thing you need to do here is click and follow these people. Okay, so these are people there that you want to follow. These are different accounts. So you see there's a few people here that you might know, other affiliate marketers who put their stuff on here as well. All right, and follow all of them. This is inside the follow exchange. You can also put your own profiles in there, all right, so that people will therefore stop following you. You can do the same with pins, okay? You've got put your own pins up on there as well, and you can add more pins, and then you can also see a list of pins to share from other people, okay? So you can see here this is a pin to be shared, and then you just mark it as pinned once it is. So all you need to do, of course, to pin it, would you just click on it, that would load itself up, and then you would just pin this to one of your boards. Okay, so this is one of the articles here. Okay, you can follow them there if you want to, but then you would just pin this to one of your own boards. Okay, and that's all you need to do there to get that set up. Now, of course, you also have the board finder, so you can search by keywords, descriptions to find different boards as well, to find great stuff to look at. You've also got graphics, so you can load up your own image as well, and you can also edit these images to make them perfect for Pinterest. Okay, so you can edit these images up, you can put in text, you can put in all these different things that you might want to do here. Okay, you can resize them if you want to. You could put a shape in here if you want to, so you could put a square in like that in the middle. We could go ahead and do lots of different things here as well if you want to. Backgrounds, corners. Alright, you can make the corners like this if you want to, surround it off so you get an image that looks something like this. We can put a background on it if you want to put a background around those images there. You can put text on it, all that great stuff to create awesome images that are perfect for Pinterest. Okay, so it's a neat little software. All right, it's going to be good to be able to obviously change and exchange those pins as followers to help you get more viral with the stuff there as well. But I really like the training for me is what really sets this apart, because I know that Pinterest traffic definitely does work. It's a great source of traffic, and I really do recommend that for anyone who's looking to make some money online, is to learn Pinterest and to really get a great way to get it to work. Now what you'll find down below this YouTube video there, you'll see a link in the description. You need to click on that link, and that's going to bring you over to my Rapid Traffic Suite review. And here you're going to see a demo video. You can watch a demo video of this software in action, so you can get a little bit more information about exactly what this system is doing and how it's working. Now all of this that you see here is $27, so you've got all the training and the software bundled up together there at $27. Now if you do want to use the exchange, you are going to need to upgrade to the Pro upgrade functions. That's $37 one time. Upgrade number 2 is unlimited traffic, so this is unlimited Pinterest accounts, developer's license. I'll be honest, I don't think you need that. Alright, most affiliates will tell you to buy that because they want to obviously make more money. I don't think you need that, so you can ignore that one. What I do recommend, and what I'm highly recommending, is a Social Studio blogging edition. Okay, this is a standalone studio app. It's the blogging edition, which allows you to share stuff across lots of different platforms, okay, including different blogs. So this is a really awesome way. You're going to get full information when you're in the funnel as well. Of course, they're going to give you all that information there. But this is a highly, highly recommended upgrade. $67 one time is a pretty great price. Now, of course, when you decide to pick Rapid Traffic Suite up through the link down below this YouTube video, you're also going to get access to my custom bonuses. Now, these bonuses are custom to me and are only available for my clients. Bonus number 1 is the advanced Pinterest training. Now I've told you this is a method that I've been using for quite a while to generate some great results online, and there's a few things that aren't covered in Rapid Traffic Suite. So a few things that they don't cover, that they don't talk about, so I want to talk about those things inside of this custom bonus. So this is going to be basically all of the additional Pinterest training, and this is also going to work really awesomely for people who are not a huge fan of video training and prefer more text-based stuff to work alongside. This is a big ebook, okay? So this is going to work for people who prefer maybe to read as opposed to watching some of the videos that are there in Rapid Traffic Suite, okay? Because this is all video training there. There isn't actually any downloadable PDFs or written guides that you could print off. This is all video. So if you do prefer written stuff and you want to get a little bit more advanced training as well, then this particular bonus is going to work perfectly for you. Bonus number 2, I'm giving you access to a massive library of royalty-free images. Now, gone are the days when you can just pinch an image from Google and get away with that, okay? People are getting DMCA notices, which is Digital Millennium Copyright Act, if you know what that is. People are getting fines, sued, lots of bad things, okay? You cannot take that risk, but you do need images that just demand attention, that make you stand out in Pinterest, alright? Pinterest is the same as every other social media platform, alright? People are flicking through, and you need something which is going to stop a prospect, stop someone in their tracks, make them take action to you and what you're saying. Now, this big library of images that I'm going to be sharing with you has got some great, powerful images that you can use, and they've got all of the relevant licenses that they need so that you're not going to get into any sort of issues, okay? So that's a great bonus there, bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is we're going to be talking long term now, okay? So for your blogs, for your niche sites that you're creating, that you've used the Rapid Traffic Suite training and software to do, you've got a nice Pinterest following. I'm now going to take you guys into the next kind of step, and that is looking at the other traffic sources that you can be using. Now, this is over 3 hours of in-depth traffic training. This is video training that's going to show you guys several different traffic sources that you should be using in 2019 to get amazing results. So, you know, while Rapid Traffic Suite is really great, you're going to get some good results with that. I want to take you guys further. Okay, I want to show you the traffic sources, because if you really want to make a job replacing income, if you really want to make this full time, and to have, you know, enough money coming in to be able to afford to do that, then you need to be utilizing several different traffic methods. All right, and you want to be driving all of that traffic into these things that you might have heard of, which is called funnels. All right, now this is something that Rapid Traffic Suite doesn't talk about. It tells you how to get the traffic and talks about blogs. The secret sauce is funnels, which is why in bonus number 4, I'm going to show you how to create profitable funnels. Now again, this is a series of about 7 or 8 video sessions. Okay, you've got a couple of hours here of content. I'm going to show you step by step from complete nothing to finish funnel of how to create these funnels that are going to drive passive income 24/7. So even when you're asleep, money will be coming in. If you're on vacation, if you're walking the pooch at the local park, as I've put there, all right, money will be coming into your account, because these things are working 24/7 in the background, just generating leads, generating revenue, and all that great stuff there for you. So again, that's another really awesome bonus, and that has been put together exclusively for those of you who decide to pick Rapid Traffic Up Suite through the link down below this YouTube video. Now when you click on that link, you're going to come through to this page. All right, you can get a little bit more information about the product. You can watch that demo if you wish, and you want to click any of these green buttons here, and that's going to take you guys over to the sales page. Now the sales page is not a long sales page, okay, it's a pretty short copy, alright, it's nothing too long at all, and of course you are getting some additional bonuses there as well. Now when you grab Rapid Traffic Suite through my bonus link, you also get access to the vendor bonuses in addition to my personal bonuses, so you're not missing out on anything by choosing to pick this up through me. In fact, you're just winning because you're also getting access to all of these additional bonus methods. So go ahead, you can check out the sales page as well. You can see all of that information, and you want to just click this button here to go ahead and secure your copy. Now if you've got any questions, feel free to drop them down in the description below this YouTube video. Come through to this page here and live chat with us, and we'll be able to get that set up for you straight away. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. This has been my Rapid Traffic Suite review. See you on the next one. Bradley out.